Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. MBA CET 2022 CAP Round 2 allotment has been released now. It was supposed to be released on 6th of November, but then it has been released on 7th of November, that is today. Now, there are few commonly asked questions about CAP Round 2. अभी किसी का freeze करना है, नहीं freeze करना है. Those who have got the same option, then what should they do? Those who have got the better option, what should they do? So we are going to answer all the commonly asked questions in this video. So if you want to join us for MBA entrance training or MBA CET coaching, you can connect with us on the number given in the description of the video. We provide everything that is needed to help you join your dream B school. So be it sessions from the toppers, minimum number of students in the batch, VAT peer training, books, mobile app, national level test series, one-on-one mock analysis, exam-specific workshops, doubt-solving sessions, daily quiz, weekly GK videos, and all important updates like these on our YouTube channel. So connect with us on the number given in the description of the video so that we can take the process further. Now, once you log into your login ID and then put in your password and then solve that difficult question, you will get something like this. Okay. So option form cap round 2 print and cap round 2 print. This is where you will have to go. Okay. Cap round 2 allotment print. This is where you will have to go. And here you can see what college has been allotted. So this candidate has been allotted Pumba College. Okay, these are his details. So this candidate has got no betterment. है ना? So he had only put in JB, Simsri, Wellinkar, Pumba. So in cap round 1 also he got Pumba. In cap round 2 also he has got Pumba. So there is no betterment in this case. So some of the candidates might have got cap round 1 में Pumba and then cap round 2 में Wellinkar. This might be the case in some of the colleges. Or there might be the case that there is no betterment like this candidate. So we'll see what these candidates should do. Now, if you have got the desired college, then you should go for freeze. If you have not got the desired college, then again go for not freeze. Just like in cap round 1, not freeze option is available in cap round 2 as well. Okay. So self-verification and seat acceptance status for cap round 2, you'll have to go here. Once you click on this, something like this will be open. Candidate self ARC for document and for data and document verification, candidate seat acceptance and seat acceptance payment for of rupees 1000. Now, if you have already paid this seat acceptance fee in cap round 1, then you don't have to pay it in cap round 2. Okay, this 1000 rupees you have to pay only once. Okay, so these are the data that are given. आपको ये correct कुछ change करना हो तो वो. So correct, you do this. Then you open each and every document, check whether it is correct or not. Then you click on verified. Once everything is okay, you click on proceed to next. Okay, it is necessary that you go through each and every document and each and every number here properly. ठीक है? Now, something like this will come. There are two options. So you have Pumba, and this is your preferred number allotted, that is 4. So you have freeze option or betterment option. Okay, if you select on freeze, then by 9th of November, you will have to visit the college. Okay, 9th of November, 5 p.m. You will have to visit the college, submit your documents, and take the admission and pay the fees. Okay, this is what you'll have to do if you accept the fees. Okay, now you are thinking कि यार इन्होंने एक दिन लेट बताया तो मैं एक दिन लेट जाऊंगा. Don't take that risk, है ना? मे बी लॉजिकली इट इज करेक्ट कि आप एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा देना चाहिए, बट देन नहीं देने वाले हैं, ये आपको पता है. यू हैव टू गो टू दिस कॉलेज एंड take the admission if you choose to freeze. Now, if you choose for betterment, if you go for betterment, now many students have the question, can I do betterment? Yes, this candidate has got same college in both the rounds. This candidate got Pumba in cap round 1 and cap round 2. Still, this candidate has got both the options, freeze and betterment. है ना? तो ये जो डाउट आ रहा है कि सर मुझे सेम कॉलेज मिल गया तो क्या मैं अभी फ्रीज कर सकता हूँ क्या, फिर या फिर मुझे एडमिशन लेना ही पड़ेगा क्या, या फिर मैं बेटरमेंट ले सकता हूँ क्या, तो यू कैन टेक बेटरमेंट हियर एज वेल। ठीक है। तो अगर आपने कैप राउंड 1 में का ही सेम कॉलेज मिला है तो इट इज रेकमेंडेड दैट यू गो फॉर बेटरमेंट, बट अगर आपके पास पेशेंस नहीं है, आपको खत्म करना है, एडमिशन लेना है, तो यू कैन सिलेक्ट ऑन फ्रीज एंड गो। ठीक है। उसके बाद once you do that you will get the OTP and you put in the OTP and then that is done. Then you will get some status like this that you have chosen not freeze. Okay, ये status आना जरूरी है। Payment was already done, so no need to pay 1,000 rupees. So we just did the process for this candidate. He did not have to pay 1,000 rupees. Okay, ये 1,000 rupees आपको एक बार ही पे करना है। अगर आपने कैप राउंड 1 में वो पे कर दिया है 1,000 rupees तो नो नीड टू पे अगेन। अगर आपने कैप राउंड 1 में नो एक्शन लिया था या फिर नो सीट वाज अलॉटेड टू यू इन कैप राउंड 1, देन यू विल हैव टू पे दिस फी इन कैप राउंड 2। ठीक है। बट again, I am telling you, this fee has to be paid only once. Now, what you should do, if you have got the same college in both the cap rounds, if you have got the same college in both the cap rounds, go for betterment again. है ना? In this case, your seat is blocked, and in after cap round 3, you can, I mean, go and take the admission. Okay, because any which ways जो सीट आपको कैप राउंड 1 में नहीं चाहिए थी, तो वो कैप राउंड 2 में क्यों चाहिए? है ना? जो चीज को अपने 10 दिन पहले ठुकरा दिया था उसको अभी अभी क्यों एक्सेप्ट करना है? ठीक है। सो इफ यू हैव गॉट द सेम कॉलेज देन गो फॉर बेटरमेंट, आई वुड रेकमेंड। इन कैप राउंड 1 एंड इन कैप राउंड 2 इफ यू हैव गॉट बेटर कॉलेज, है ना, मतलब अगर कैप राउंड 1 में पुम्बा मिला एंड कैप राउंड 2 में वेलिंकर मिला, so then freeze. Why? Because in Wellinger you have actually got the last seat, है ना, kind of last seat. इसके आगे वेलिंकर में आपको वेलिंकर से सिम्सरी जाने के चांसेस बहुत कम है ना। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। आप पिछले राउंड में पुम्बा में थे एंड यू हैव गॉट इनटू वेलिंकर नाउ, तो व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन दिस केस, द कैंडिडेट हैज गॉट ऑलमोस्ट वन ऑफ द लास्ट सीट्स। अभी ये वेलिंकर के सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ओवरटेक करके सिम्सरी में जाना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, सो आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट इफ यू हैव गॉट द बेटरमेंट गो फॉर द फ्रीज ऑप्शन। If you have not got the betterment, go. If you have got the same college, then go for the betterment again. And it makes sense. You can wait out for 10 more days. Okay, but you will have to, if you freeze, you will have to visit the college by 5 p.m. 9th November. है ना? Don't think that I will have 1 day extra because the allotment was released 1 day extra, 1 day later. है ना? तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए। Once this is done, this thing should have come here. So, initially what we had here, initially we had self-verification and seat acceptance status. It should be removed, and instead of that, you should have cap round 2 seat acceptance. Okay, that thing should be removed, and you should have this thing over here. Only then you can consider कि हाँ ये मेरा complete हो चुका है। ठीक है। For any other query, write to us on any one of these 3 social media platforms or visit our website tarkashastra.co.in. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.